Nagustuhan mo kay Christopher?
Ito.
Oo ah.
Hindi. Malaki ang.
Anong malaki?
Ano yung malaki?
Ano te?
Malaki.
Bangon na, bangon na, muling nakita liwanag mong kakaiba. Lahat ng bigat ng kahapon ay nawala, nawala. Kung ikaw ay nangangamba dahil di ka katulad nila, huwag matakot, tumaliwas, ipakita kung sino ka, kung sino ka. Nag-iisa ka, wala nang iba. Lunurin mo ako sa iyong piling, o pwede bang dinggin aking hiling. Nag-iisa ka, wala nang iba. Sa iyong tahimik na tingin, nadarama lahat ng damdamin. Nag-iisa ka.
Gagawin mo to ngayon.
Siguradong sigurado na.
Sure na sure?
Sure na sure.
Walang balikan?
Wala.
Walang atrasan?
Wala.
Okay.
Punasan ng mga luha. Tama.
Hindi ka na ba atras? Wala na atrasan.
Nandito na ako.
Dito na tayo eh.
Hindi, sure na ako. Kasi si Christopher. Yeah. Naiyak ako.
Iwas, ipakita kung sino ka, kung sino ka. Nag-iisa ka, wala nang iba. Lunurin mo ako sa iyong piling, o pwede bang dinggin aking hiling. Nag-iisa ka, wala nang iba. Sa iyong tahimik na tingin, nadarama lahat ng damdamin. Nag-iisa ka, nag-iisa ka, nag-iisa ka. Wala nang iba, nag-iisa ka.
Naririto tayo, no, upang magbigay ng papuri sa Panginoon sa lahat ng bagay. Magbigay pasasalamat sa inyong magulang, magbigay pasasalamat sa magiging saksi, magbigay din sa lahat, lalong higit sa inyong relationship na sabihin natin, sa dinami-dami ng tao sa mundo, bakit kayong dalawa?
You're mine, always you're mine, forever you're
To my gorgeous and beautiful Jessica, first, I want to say thank you for being with me till this day. Alam ko lahat ng effort and sacrifices mo since day one. But then I saw your face, just wow. Bagay talaga yung word na gorgeous sa'yo. I remember when I first saw you at the hallway of our school with your friends. Isa lang nasabi ko that time, shocks. Ang ganda ng mata at cute tumawa.
In 100 lifetimes, I choose you. In 100 worlds.
Hanggang sa nakulitan ka sa akin and you gave me a chance to meet you in person. Siyempre, sino ba naman ako para sayangin yung chance na ito? And you really piqued my interest. I'm in love how jolly your personality is. Remember, like ko sinasabi sa'yo, na ang sarap ko kausap. Ang gaan-gaan mo sa pakiramdam. That's why I love being at your side always.
When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And
Since then, you never failed me. You were very consistent and always made me feel special and important. Ako palagi yung top priority mo. And I want to thank you for that. Yak ako. Thank you for always being my number one fan. Thank you for your patience, for loving me, and for staying with me. Sa panahon na hindi ako kamahal-mahal, sa panahon na sarili ko lang yung iniisip ko as I'm very busy with work and my studies, I just want to thank you kasi palagi kang nandyan. Isang text, chat, or call ko lang, dumarating ka kaagad.
with our union, we will move mountains, we will.
Pinapangako ko sa'yo na sa'yo ko lang ibubuhos at iaalay ang buong pagkatao ko. And I'm so excited to explore more with you and learn from you. Enjoy natin itong araw na ito. I can't wait to spend and cherish the rest of my life with you. I love you so much at hindi ako magsasamang piling ka araw-araw. Love, Dad.
Find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do, and we will when the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds. Every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you. Look into my eyes, dear. Look into my eyes, dear. 'Cause this is where it starts.
This is my promise. To choose you each day and to love you every day. To choose you over and over again. Pipiliin ka at hahanapin ka in my next life. P.S. I have never thought that I will get married. Pero ito ako ngayon, having the best moment in my life. I love you, Christopher.
I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts. And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will.
Jessica, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Christopher na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Christopher, bukas ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jessica na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Nakahanda ba kayong gumanap sa inyong pananagutan sa simbahan at sa bayan na umaasang inyong aarugain ang mga supling na ipagkakaloob ng poong may kapal upang sila ay inyong palakihin bilang mabubuting mamamayang Kristiyano?
Opo.
When the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds. every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you.
So today, I stand before you ready to make a promise that will last a lifetime. I promise to do all the good gestures I practiced to this moment 100 folds and will love you every day without reservation. Nandito lang ako palagi para supportan at hikayatin kang abutin ng pangarap natin ng magkasama at magkahawak kamay. Sobrang mahal na mahal kita, Mimi ko, at tuwang-tuwa ang puso ko na ikaw ang makakasama ko habang buhay.
Yes, this is where it starts. And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose you.
Christopher, maaari mo nang hagkan ang iyong kabiyak.